hands down the greatest grilling tool ever made. First thing you're gonna need is a long handle to keep you away from all the fire and flames. We've got you covered. It's strong, it's sturdy, and it's comfortable too. Now, we need a good spatula for these burgers. That's a flip part. Oh, that's a nice looking patty right there. There are some things a spatula just won't do for, so any master griller needs a good fork. And why is that? If you sauce your chicken or season your steak, and you shove a spatula under there, you're gonna scrape off all the good stuff. But with a fork, you can nice and tenderly get in there without losing all that flavor. Beautiful. And of course, if you notice our brat, what's the spatula gonna do for a brat? Get the fork in there. Oh, and it flips just beautifully. All right. Yes, the FlipFork has a razor sharp knife built right in. Nice soft tomatoes. No problem. Or some diced onions. And alongside the FlipFork is a built-in tenderizer. Makes all the difference for flavor and texture. That is ready to go there. All this, and only one perfect tool to do it all. FlipFork. It's simply awesome. Just one thing left to do, and that's let somebody else handle the cleanup, which is pretty easy since this is all we used.